Are you looking for what to wear on your upcoming Hawaiian vacation? I'm Kristen, the bargain chasing tourist, and I recently completed my 8th trip to Hawaii. As you can see, Hawaii is my favorite place to visit, especially Oahu. Let's break down all the Hawaiian vacation outfits you need to pack. Your first wardrobe staples in Hawaii are maxi dresses. Why? Because they're cool and comfortable. Maxi dresses literally flow in the Hawaiian ocean breeze, and they flatter everyone from petite to plus. A maxi dress can easily go from day to night. Leave your heels and sequins at home. Hawaii is very laid back, even at night. The next Hawaii wardrobe staple is Aloha wear. These are the tropical print outfits that are designed in Hawaii. Aloha wear looks and feels amazing and also represents the rich cultural history of Hawaii. My favorite place to buy Aloha wear is the Oahu Swap Meet and Marketplace at the Aloha Stadium. I visit the swap meet every time I'm in Oahu because they have amazing products handcrafted in Hawaii at the best prices. Also, when you're in Hawaii, you must do sunset pictures in Aloha wear at least once. Trust me, you will not regret these photos with stunning views. Of course, you need a couple swimsuits, a cover-up, and a hat for Hawaii's spectacular beaches. Throw in one athletic outfit to hike a stunning waterfall or to visit Koloa Ranch, which I highly recommend. And those are all the Hawaiian vacation outfits you need. Make sure to head over to thebargainchasingtourist.com for more Hawaii inspiration. Aloha!